Hi guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take dope videos with the Nikon Coolpix B500. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Because this camera is dope in video recording.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Let's jump into the basics first. For videos, it is recommended that you use a memory card higher than class 6 for this camera. I use a 32 GB class 10 memory card for this camera and it works great with it. I turn my camera on, press the display button twice, and get this frame on my screen. If I record a video, the camera will record according to this frame. For images, it's the full frame, but for videos, it's the one that you see here. This is the maximum duration for your video, 29 minutes. If you want to record for more than 29 minutes, you will have to press record again. While recording, also turn off the flash because it's of no use for video recording. By default, the focus is center. You can't use subject tracking, manual, target finding or any other focus mode. I prefer to turn off digital zoom while video recording because it looks bad. I keep my autofocus single because full time may give you some focusing issues and some background noise as the camera keeps focusing every now and then. I mostly shoot in 25p. I use 50i sometimes. You may try HS4x for slow motion and HS.5x for fast motion videos. Do you want me to make a separate tutorial about VHS mode? Let me know down below. Anyway, for now I'll keep it 25p. Movie VR, if you are using a tripod, turn it off. Turn it on hybrid if you are shooting handheld, because it makes your recorded frame narrower than what you see in the monitor. Wind noise reduction, I keep it on because wind is all around us. Frame rate 25 is fine. I'll exit the menu, hit record. If I want to pause the recording, hit the button to the right of OK. To resume, press it again. In between the recording, if you want to capture an image, simply press the shutter release button. If your video is less than 5 seconds long, or if you are shooting in the 50i or HS mode, your image may not be recorded. Image is saved in the resolution of the video being recorded. Image of a moving object may turn out to be blurry. The sound of the shutter release button may also be recorded in your video. I stop recording, hit the playback button. Here is my image and here is my video. If you record a video for a long duration, the camera may become hot. This is normal and does not signify a malfunction. So guys, I hope you found this tutorial to be useful. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. And go out there guys, take those amazing videos with the B500. Tag me in your videos on Instagram at Agarwal Sonika and I will be very happy to have a look at them. Share this video with your friends guys and leave a comment what you wanna watch next. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Here is my previous video and here is a playlist that plays all my content related to this camera. Please go check them out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.